So today we're going to talk about creating an event in Event Map Studio. So the first thing we do is we click on the Create New Event menu, and we have a wizard with 5 pages, and we're going to fill out the information for our event. So the first thing we do is we enter the event name, the daily projected attendance. We can have several days, but right now for the sake of speed, we'll just put 1 day. The measurement system, and we click next. On the second screen, we can enter the address of the event and other information that we'll skip for now. The following screen, we enter the dates, then information about the map display. And on the information about the map display, today we'll just focus on having a public map available. So we'll just check the public map visible to the general public. And finally, on the last screen, we can enter our sustainability plan. We'll skip that for today. We'll hit submit and we'll end up on the map itself that is open at the place where the event is going to take place, at the address that we entered. So once we're here, we're going to zoom in a little bit and we're going to select a type of object, which is basically going to be a tent, from the object inspector. We're going to move the mouse and the map a little bit. We're going to select the tent. We're going to click on insert. We're going to click on the map and the object is there. We can move the object. We select it. We click the duplicate item 4 times. We got 5 tents. We're going to hold the control key and drag the mouse to select all the items. Then we're going to open the layout palette and we're going to align and distribute the tents. And here we have 5 tents that are aligned and distributed. We can use the rotate to rotate the whole group that's selected right now. A little trick here is if you want to position the number in a special place, you can click on an object and you can hold the Alt key and drag, and that'll move just the number. So now we're going to again select all the objects and we're going to click on the group items to group all the objects. So now they're considered a group. We can move them all together, but sometimes we'll want to handle one object at a time. And to do that, what you can do is you can hold the Alt key and click on one object, and that'll select only that object, not the whole group. So we're going to do that for each object, and we're going to set properties for each of the objects. So that's one of the powerful things in Event Map Studio. That's what sets us apart, is that you can actually define not just the items, but also the functionality of the items. So you can say for each of the tents, well, we have tents, they're that size, they're to scale, but that's what they're going to be used for. They're going to sell beer, or they're going to have a box office, or an information desk, etc. And all that information is displayed and stored on the map and in different reports you can make. So the other powerful thing is that all that information can be used and displayed for the public. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the group, we're going to right click, and we're going to select the export item menu item. And what that'll do is it'll basically say to Event Map Studio that all these tents should be visible on the public map. And we're going to preview now the public map where you see all the tents that we selected as exportable. And for each of them, you see their functionality. So basically, the public can see this map either on their phone or on your website. And if it's on their phone, they actually can use the geolocation to actually find the different services that are offered at your event. They can look for beer, for restrooms, etc. And with their geolocation, they'll see where they are and where they have to go. That's it. Good luck.